let's open our Facebook app. Next, go to menu by tapping the three lines at the top right portion of your screen. Next, go to settings and privacy by tapping the gear icon. Next, scroll down, then go to preferences. Next, under preferences, go to notifications. Next, scroll down, then go to groups. Next, under where you receive groups notifications, disable this too. Next, tap the group where you are a member at, where you want to disable the notifications from. Here, let's just choose off so that you will only be notified when you are mentioned or if there is any important updates in the group. Thanks for watching. Hope you hit the like button and follow.